That's a tree ripened. That's a tree ripened Nam Dok Mai. There she is. So that's a tree ripened Kensington Pride. Assalamu alaikum guys. So today it's going down. We have the Australian corner of the Kensington Pride Mango versus the Thai Nam Dok Mai Mango. So they're going head to head. We're just going to sort of have a bit of a taste test and see how they fare against each other. So we're going the Australian Kensington Pride first. Now we're going the Nam Dok Mai. Yeah, Nam Dok Mai is a much smoother. Yeah, super smooth. So it's not as sort of doesn't have as much texture as the Australian Kensington Pride. You can see the color difference. You know that could be because the Kensington Pride is more ripe than the Nam Dok Mai. But nonetheless, it is what it is. So first of all, let's get Nam Dok Mai. 1 second. Let's get Nam Dok Mai. Amir, can you cut a piece for your sister? Because she's waiting anxiously.
Alina.
Here, Alina. There you go. Okay. Yeah, grab one, Amir. Yeah, you can eat it. It doesn't matter. Eat the whole thing. Let me. There you go.
Super sweet.
Oh, yum. Very sweet. Honey sweet. Even though it doesn't look like as ripe as the Kensington Pride, but it's that's just the color the Nam Dok Mai gives off. It's not as sort of a vibrant orange in color once it's ripened. It's a bit more pale yellow, but don't let the looks fool you because it's super sweet. I'm telling you, it's basically honey sweet. Very smooth texture. It's got some floral sort of notes to it as well. What do you think, Amir?
I like it because it's super sweet.
It's good for kids. Yeah, that's good.
It's super smooth when you cut it.
Very floral.
Like when you cut it, it's like easy
It's almost
to cut.
got you know when mum makes sweets, Middle Eastern sweets.
Oh yeah.
And they taste a bit like rose water. She puts a bit of rose water.
She did.
Yeah, rose water. Yeah, this has notes of rose, like sort of floral flavors to it. I can taste them. It's almost like you put a bit of rose water in there. It's nice. I like it. Very nice. All right, now let's go the Nam Dok Mai.
Nam Dok Mai.
Sorry, the Kensington Pride. Okay, I think she wants this one. I can take it. Take this one. I'll take this
Okay,
one.
let's go.
The baby stole our Kensington
Go.
Pride, so
Yeah,
that's fine. You
can
have
have
whichever one, doesn't matter.
You
I'll
can
have
have
the
that
one left over. Okay, let's go. Now the Kensington Pride. It's a lot more meatier. It's a bigger mango. A thicker mango that is. In length, they're about the same length, but it's a more beefy mango, the Kensington Pride, and they tend to be a lot more larger than this compared to the Nam Dok Mai. A lot more vibrant in color. Let's go bismillah. So my little one, I gave her the Nam Dok Mai. She had a taste, and she returned it, and then she went after the Kensington Pride. So I'm not saying it's better, but she does prefer, for whatever reason, she prefers the Kensington Pride over the Nam Dok Mai. What do you think?
It's like sweet again.
Yeah, it's very sweet also.
Smooth.
Not as sweet as Nam Dok Mai, I think.
Yeah.
Nam Dok Mai was more sweeter.
Way more sweeter.
Way more sweeter, yeah. Even though this is very sweet still, but Nam Dok Mai was way sweeter. I find that a bit juicier.
Yeah, it's way
The
juicier.
Kensington
Yeah.
Pride has sort of more juice to it. It's juicier. But this has acidic notes. Slight
sourness.
acidity,
Yeah.
slight tanginess compared to floral notes with the Nam Dok Mai. So Nam Dok Mai is basically, it's got like honey flavored flavor with mango with sort of rose water. That's how I would describe it. It's got floral notes. The Kensington Pride is juicy mango, sweet, not as sweet as Nam Dok Mai, but very sweet, and some acidic notes. Depending on which stage you eat it, you know, if it's super ripe, you won't have as much acidic notes. But if you pick it a little bit earlier or eat it a little bit earlier, it does have very present, sort of evident acidic notes. Look, it's hard. What do you think? If you had to choose one, Amir, which one would you choose?
Nam Dok Mai.
Nam Dok Mai?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there you go. Nam Dok Mai. Okay. Okay, me. Okay, if I had to choose, it depends. It depends on which stage you eat it. If I had eaten the Kensington Pride at an earlier stage where the acidic notes are more present, then I would go Kensington Pride because I like my acidity. You know, in fruit I like a bit of acidity, and I don't want it straight sweet. I want a bit of acidity. So if this was cut a little bit earlier with more acidic notes, then I would have chosen this. But right now, this doesn't have, the Kensington Pride doesn't have much acidity in it because it's ripened to the max. Yeah. It's fully ripe. So it's more just sweet now, juicy sweet mango. Well, this was sweet, but with floral flavors. It had more than just sweetness. So today, I'm picking the Nam Dok Mai. But, like I said, if this was picked earlier or eaten earlier, when the acidity, the tangy is present in it, the acidity notes, then I would definitely go the Kensington Pride. So for today, it's Nam Dok Mai. But I think in general, if I had to pick one, I would probably go Kensington Pride only because it does have the acidity. While this doesn't have the acidity, it's got more floral sweetness. But amazing mango and super productive, more consistent from what I hear than the Kensington Pride. This is my first off my tree that's not even 5-6 months old. So, but they're supposed to be very productive, consistently productive, and they fare better than the Kensington Pride against anthracnose disease and then bacterial disease and things like that. So they're a bit more hardier than the Kensington Pride. But look, they're both excellent mangoes. But look, yeah. So today, I think our champion is the Muay Thai legend, the Nam Dok Mai. So good on you, Thailand. You've done a good job breeding this thing, if you bred it, that is. But yeah, regardless, you have an excellent mango with the Nam Dok Mai. You've won today's battle, but I don't think you would have won the war. I think the war, to me anyway, would be won by Kensington Pride because it does have the flexibility of eating it at different stages, when you can have more acidic notes in it compared to just sweetness and floral notes, which is excellent, So yes, Nam Dok Mai for today. And that's it. And I hope you enjoyed today's little video. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.